What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video. I'm Matt over at GSA, and this video is all about exploring on a motorbike the England's largest gorge. Cheddar Gorge is not too far from me, so I thought, you know what, let's go and explore it. This being UK's or England's largest gorge, it's something like 400 meters deep and 3 miles long, and it's pretty spectacular when you're driving through it. If you ever do come to the area and you're going through it for the first time, you really need to just be mindful, because there's a lot of goats. Yes, that's right, you heard me, goats. They're just roaming around, so you'll be coming around some of the blind bends. Not only have you got to watch out for the rocks and the land spill on the road, but you've also then got to look out for goats just cutting around. Being in the area that we are, deer, they're quite regular as well, but at least the deer run away. Goats, they do not care. They just sit there, carry on munching, and expect you to move out of the way. So this is the bottom half, this is the bottom segment of Cheddar Town. So there's some really nice cafes and some good biker spots. I'll point it out as we go past. In the summer, great place to calm down, get some ice cream, and they make a lot of cheese here as well. And I can confirm that the cheese is bloody delightful. So obviously the road goes through the gorge. There's footpaths on the left and the right on the high ground, so if you want to come in the car, you can actually go for a nice walk around it. And then bar back there does cocktails. You got a nice cafe, nice restaurant. On the left now, little car park, and there's a great cafe and to get some ice cream. So this is a good spot to park up on the bikes. Waterfall cafe, and they've actually got caves here as well, so you can do tours and go through the caves, etc. And so it begins. There is a pinch point where you need to be quite careful, because the rocks come quite close. Bikes aren't too much of a problem, but cars, they tend to pinch a bit more of the road than you expect. Plenty of parking as you're going up. And also there's a lot of rock climbing here. There's thousands of rock climbing points all the way through here, so you're always seeing people climbing. So that corner there is where Zoe crashed the drone. This here is the pinch point I'm on about. If you're in a car, just need to be a bit mindful. There you go, some rock climbers. Like I said, need to be very mindful. A lot of rock falls, walkers, ramblers, kids, dogs, goats, everything. And then you get Doris going slow because they want to take in the scenery. And understandable, it is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the goats all the way at the top there, but they're big. Don't expect to come through here fast, even that would be nice. I was going to go for it. There they are, the little billy goat grubs. I say, I've come down here in the car and they'll just be on the side here just eating. The old goats, I mean, not the people. But this area is a lovely area to come riding. Some really great roads around here as well. Just turn around or head on back down. That's kind of the top of it. If you go up a little bit more, takes you to the very top, and then you're out just into the fast B roads. I don't know about you, but places like this, or roads like this that are a little bit twistier going downhill, I always prefer doing them uphill. I used to have it in Cyprus. The front end used to wash out quite a bit. coming down the mountains. Pinch point. There's a goat. This is what I mean. Look at them chilling. They do not care. Man's gonna stand there. Yeah, you. Perfect example. Thank you, goats. You can now go back to bed. This is the kind of issue with coming to Cheddar. It's a lovely road, but the fact that you've got a lot of cars, walkers, goats, rocks, it just makes it a very slow road. And it's one of those roads that you'd love to just flow through it with nothing in front of you and no worries, but unfortunately that's just not how it is when you go through it. So yes, 100% come here, visit it. You can say you've been there, and it's not a stop point. Like I said, down in the bottom of Cheddar, get into the cafe, get yourself an ice cream with some cheese. It's definitely a nice passing point. This is now the top end of Cheddar, and in a minute it will open up to some nice faster flowing sections of B roads, which is what we like. It will do, I promise, at some point. I aim on doing plenty more of these kind of short little exploring certain areas type videos. So I've done a little bit of Brecon one, which I've done today with the Cheddar. Tomorrow I think I might head down to the Jurassic Coast and have a little bit of an exploration down there. Let me know whereabouts in the southwest do you want me to check out. Where's some of the best roads? You let me know and I'll add it to the list of the videos to make. Well guys, I'm going to finish the video there. I hope you enjoyed this. A little bit different, a little bit, I don't know. Got to try different things, didn't we? Hope you enjoyed my little plod through the Cheddar Gorge. Like I said, if you're in the area, go check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. You're all very much appreciated. And head on over and see what other stuff we got. I've got loads of reviews and other stuff on the channel now. So nothing else to say, but until the next one, ride safe.